lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. Thank you once again for clicking on my video. I'm so happy. Thank you all. You're so wonderful. So guys, today I'm making this delicious yam pottage recipe. I'm using some Irish potatoes, some sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, some onion. I'm also going to use some carrots, green peas, Maggie cubes, some curry powder, I have here my blended garlic and ginger paste, some table salt. I have some vegetable oil that I'm going to use. So guys, as you can see, I have washed and peeled my Irish potato. I'm just going to slice it into my desired size. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I'm also going to use some grilled chicken to make this recipe, to give it a very nice and healthy taste. So guys, thank you for clicking on this video. If it's your first time, as I said earlier, you're so welcome. If you love my recipes, please don't forget to hit that red button, subscribe to my channel, click on that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and do give it a try and let me know how it came out. Thank you so much guys. So guys, I'm also going to let you know this recipe is so healthy for your little kids. It's so healthy for like your newborn babies, like 8 months old. All you just need to do is to take off the Scotch bonnet pepper so it won't be spicy. It's so healthy for little kids. You can just use your hand blender to blend it up, and I bet you they are going to enjoy it as it's packed filled with veggies and healthy for them. So right now I have scraped and washed my carrot. I'm just going to slice it also into my desired size. I love slicing my carrots to be very big when I'm making potato porridge. I don't like it very tiny. So today I'm going to be using my pot here to make it. I'm using my pressure cooker to make it cook quickly. You can use your pot. It's still the same. So I'm just going to add in a very little vegetable oil. At this moment, I'm just going to throw in my onion, and I'll throw in my peppers, my Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper. I'll throw in my carrot. I'm just going to put all the veggies and the potatoes together. So I'm adding in my curry powder. Right here I'm adding in the ginger and garlic paste. I'm putting in my Maggie cubes, and I'm going to add a very little salt to it. Right here I'm adding in my grilled chicken stock. That is the water that came out from my grilled chicken, and I'm just going to put them in and stir it together. So lastly, I'm adding my green beans or peas. So I'm just going to stir together and taste to see if the seasoning is enough for my taste. So I'm adding just a little water, a little cup of water, as this recipe does not need a lot of water. Your Irish potato can bring up some water on its own, same as the veggies. So at this point you're going to make sure you add a very little water. So you just cover and let it cook. So I leave mine to cook for like 15 minutes because it's a pressure cooker. Normally if it's on, I'm making it from my pot, it will take about 20 minutes to cook. So guys, this is how it came out. I'm still going to let it cook more as I want it to be very soft. So guys, this is how it came out. It's so nice, healthy, delicious, filled with lots of veggies. So guys, that is how it came out. I just sprinkle in some little paisley leaf on top. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that bell icon so you will never miss any of my delicious recipes. Drop a comment for me if you love this recipe. Thank you. See you on my next video. Love yourself. Always remember to smile. And also believe in yourself. Love you all. Bye bye.